Hi, I'm Skylar. If you'd like to add functionality to Firefox, which allows you to restore a specific session from the past, you might want to check out this extension. It's called Session Manager, and you can find it in Tools, Add-ons, and then Get Add-ons. Here's a description of it, and if you click Install, it'll download it, and in a moment you'll just restart Firefox. All right. Brings us right to their web page. You'll notice that there's a small icon that's brand new, little disk here. If you click that, it'll save your windows and tabs in the specific state they are right now. You can give it a name. So we'll save that session. And let's say a couple days from now, we want to load it up again. Go back up to the disk and click it. You'll see your most recent session saved here. But if you want to dig in a little bit, go to Session Manager and Load Sessions. It'll show you all of the sessions you've previously had going. Makes it really easy to open past explorations. And you can also append it to your current session. So if you don't want to close the windows you're working on right now, but you do want to open up those windows from the past, click Append. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.